Designing a material that will last long. Talk early in your career so you don't have to replace. My name is Tapan Shah. I lead the Materials Engineering and Product Sustainability organization within CNH.
So Tapan, I do have some questions for you. Will AI replace a materials engineer?
Overall, it will not replace materials engineering because of the technical expertise and the judgment that an engineer can bring to the analysis.
What's it actually like to work on the machines that feed the world?
We at CNH are very proud of the machines that deliver, which are very durable and reliable, that help a farmer nourish the communities globally.
Durability versus sustainability, which one would you pick?
From a materials viewpoint, I don't think I will trade off on either one. I think designing a material that will last long so that it's more in the use phase, you don't have to replace, and it's environmentally friendly overall would be the right approach.
I'm on the same side.
Good.
Why should one get into materials engineering?
Materials engineering is where physics, chemistry, and engineering meet in reality. Someone who is really passionate about working with materials, innovating new materials to the real world, I think it is one of the good fields for them to explore and build a career on.
So what would be one piece of advice that you would give to your 25-year-old self?
To interact, talk early in your career. It provides you a good stage where you can ask a lot of questions, learn a lot from your peers, and set yourself up for success.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Tapan. This was very interesting.
Thank you so much for having me.